dropping off our first vehicle down here at Castle Rock and heading to Topock Gorge. We are launching at Topock. Usually you gotta pay $7 for kayaks. This little shed is closed. I went up to the restaurant and they just told us we were good to go and it was okay to leave our vehicle. So normally it's $7. We stopped here to put some glow sticks and lights on our kayaks because it's getting dark. We got the lights put on our kayak. We got a regular red light for the front and then some glow sticks, which I thought the glow sticks would be brighter. But maybe they'll be brighter when it gets darker. So it's almost dark. I was hoping to get through the gorge when it was still kind of daylight, just so you guys could see the high walls. But we have a spotlight, so we'll light it up when we get there.